Hello guys, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create the Liquify text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. Now select your type tool, type out your word. So I'll be typing out Liquify. So let's go with this. Then I'll enlarge my text, place it in the middle, and then I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate it, drag it down like this. Press Ctrl J again to duplicate it and then drag it down again. Do that for one last time. Drag it down. Now select all the text layers, press Ctrl J and rename it to Liquify. So let's go with this. And then they aren't in the middle, so let's place them in the middle. Once we are done with this, right click on the Liquify group and select Convert to Smart Object. When you are done, go to Filter, Liquify. Let's wait for the Liquify options to come. Now let's add our Liquify effect over here. So just go with something like this. And then when you're done, press OK. Yeah, so now we have our Liquify effect. Okay, so guys, this is how to create a Liquify text effect in Adobe Photoshop.